Hey guys! So today I'm going to do a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing here. It's using a few of the products I picked up from the new Glossier Play line. It's just two products, the eyes and the lips, but I wanted to try it out before I bought too much more. There's usually a lot of hype, especially over brand new Glossier products, and I always like to just test the waters a little bit before I go too crazy because most of them are good, but they don't always live up to our expectations. So anyway, if you're interested in seeing how I made this look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I've put my BB cream, concealer, all that on. Didn't really feel like doing it on camera today, but we're gonna do the rest for you. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my blush. I'm gonna do the normal blush that I do basically every day that I wear makeup. For the Glossier Cloud Paint, I put it on my cheeks, obviously, and then I always put it up in a C motion. Okay, and then next put on my Multipot. Since this is more of a pinky red color, right, I like to just focus it on my cheeks. I think I've mentioned this in videos before, but I tried putting it all over like I do with my Glossier, and it just made me look a little too flushed. Alright, so I touched up my concealer a little bit because I kind of got messed up with the blush. But now that we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows real quick. I'm always trying to find that perfect balance between like the Instagram eyebrow and the natural eyebrow because I like both of those. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use the first Glossier Play product. The first one I'm using is the, I can't remember any of these names. The Glitter Gelée, I'm assuming it's Gelée because it has the little accent. And this is in Bijoux, which is the silver one. I've only worn this a couple times, and when I usually wear it, I just use my finger, and it just gives it, it's a little bit lighter. Obviously I don't pick up as much product as I would with a brush. So today I want to try to make it a little bit heavier. So let's go ahead and try this. This eyeshadow has a really nice texture. I wasn't sure when I first dipped my finger in because it feels like gel. It feels like gel. It's appropriately named. It's very like cool to the touch, but it doesn't have that really chemically smell that a lot of eyeshadows similar to this do. So I was really excited about that. And it doesn't dry down too fast. It does dry down fast, but not too fast. You can kind of fix mistakes quickly if you need to. I just want it mostly on the lid. So I keep pushing it further into my lash line. There we go. Okay, fixed. I'm gonna let this dry while I do the other one. It's already drying. I can already feel it. It still feels a little wet, but not like I can't blink while it's on. So that's nice because I hate that feeling. Anyway, so I'm stopping right at the end of my eye here, and I went almost all the way into the corner. Left a tiny bit because I don't want to make my eyes look any smaller. But there we go. I'm not going to add any more, but I was just kind of pushing some of the glitter around just so it wasn't building up too much in one space. And while it's drying, it's pretty easy to push it around, especially with a stiff brush like this. Alright, so I think I pretty much got it to where I want it. That really didn't take much time at all. I don't think that was even like 5 minutes spent on my eyes, which is awesome. Alright, while I was letting my eyes dry, I actually added a little bit more blush just because it wasn't like bright clown rosy enough for me apparently, but I really think this looks really good. I'm gonna add a red lip, but I think this would also just look really good just with some lip balm or like clear lip gloss or even nude lip gloss, because it really is a statement all on its own. I do think this eye look would probably look best with a more dramatic mascara, or just at least a thicker one, but this is all I have right now because this is pretty much, I mean, this is what I use. If I'm wearing makeup, I'm wearing mascara, and this is what I use. But I am wanting to buy something a little more dramatic just to try it out. So if you have a good recommendation for a more dramatic thickening, it doesn't have to be lengthening, more just thickening and darkening mascara, go ahead and comment down below, please, because I mean, there's a million mascaras out there and I really have no idea where to start. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put on the last product and the second Glossier Play product, which is their Vinylic lip. Sounds like vanilla, but it's vinyl. And this is in Baby, which is like their pretty true red color. And I was actually pretty impressed with this product. I thought it had the potential to be pretty basic, but I wanted to try it anyway. But I don't know. I feel like I've had pretty bland experiences with these cushion lipsticks in the past. And I'm showing you right now how I put it on lightly, and then I'll put it on heavier, how I think it's intended to be put on. But I really like to, when I want like a lighter lip, to just use the excess that's on the applicator from last time and just make kind of a light stain. So yeah, here's a potentially finished look with the lighter blurred lip color. I really like it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it on in its full form, just so you can see what this looks like. So it has a little clicker at the end. I just do like 2 clicks so you can see it start to seep into the brush, and then we'll apply. It's really easy to shape around my lips though. I haven't really had any issues with that so far. I really like how well this layers. So you really can put on like exactly how much lip product you want or how opaque you want it to be, yada yada. And it's not like a liquid, like dry down lip, so I assume that's probably why. Alright, so this is the finished look. Obviously you don't have to put this much blush on. I just really like it like that. That's what I've been wearing a lot lately, but this is the finished look. It's actually pretty basic. You can do it pretty quickly when you're not filming a tutorial for it. I feel like I could do this in like 10, maybe 15 minutes, especially if the lip was giving me a little bit of trouble or anything. So far I am a really big fan of the Glossier Play. These are the only 2 products that I've tried, but I definitely want to try more of these lipsticks. Maybe some of the lighter colors, or also there's like a more burgundy berry color that I really want to try. Anyway, yeah, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, if you like videos like these, please make sure to like this video and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll put that below me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.